Visible voicemail lets you view and manage your voicemails visually without needing to dial in. It transcribes audio messages into text for easy reading. First, ensure your device and carrier support visible voicemail. Most modern iOS and Android devices work with major carriers like Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile. For iPhones, go to Settings, then Phone, then Voicemail, and tap Setup Now to activate the feature. For Android devices, open the Phone app, navigate to Voicemail, and make sure the feature is toggled on. Next, update your carrier's Settings app to ensure compatibility and access to the latest features. Verify that your SIM card is properly installed and recognized by your device. Follow the instructions for your specific phone model. Finally, confirm that your voicemail box is correctly linked and active with your carrier. Common problems include activation pending errors, especially on iPhones, or incorrect voicemail numbers on Android devices. For iPhones, try resetting network settings by going to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset, then Reset Network Settings. Then reactivate voicemail. For Android, ensure the voicemail number is correct in your phone settings and that the feature is toggled on. Other causes include network instability, outdated apps, conflicts with call blocking apps, or ensure your phone is connected to cellular data. If you're not receiving notifications for new voicemails, start by checking your notification settings for the phone app. Make sure notifications are enabled and not blocked by Do Not Disturb mode or battery optimization settings. Next, try restarting the phone app or your entire device to refresh the connection. For a soft reset, clear the phone app's cache. On Android devices, navigate to Settings, then Apps, select Phone, go to Storage, and clear the cache. For more severe issues, perform a hard reset by reactivating voicemail. On iPhones, dial the code *pound 5005 *86 pound to reactivate. Some carriers like Verizon have app-specific resets. Clear the visual voicemail app cache and re-enable notifications within the app. As a last resort, perform a factory reset of the phone app. This is especially useful after operating system updates. After performing any reset, make sure to reconfigure your visible voicemail settings to complete the process.